Ako ka isa pagikapoy na ko.
Lugi, nabatog kay nagpuan ng puga. No, kapuyan, na-discourage po ko kay kanang tagaan kag staff kay pangsukton po ka. Tagay ko staff, nasukton ko.
Dili man yan.
Let's go, let's go! Dancer! Alright, dancers, get up now! Let's go! Hot, hot, hot! You know what? Hot! Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go! Hot, hot! Alright! There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Maraming salamat po for the parents of the bride. Maraming salamat po, Sir Noel and Ma'am Corazon. Dito po tayo sa harap. Hot! 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 Let's go to the parents of the room!
Everybody in the car, so come on, let's ride to the liquor store around the corner. The boys say they want some gin and juice, but I really don't wanna.
Let's go! Hot! Hot!
I'm
Hot!
straight.
Hot! 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 And of course, hindi rin naman papahuli ang parents of the room for their TikTok dance. Kaya naman, let's go na Mr. Palisa
Solo dime que tranza, que yo te voy pagando.
Malamang yan mga galang-galang. Check, Mr. Let's go! Hot! Let's go! Hot! 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 Alright! There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the universe, Mr. and Mrs. Martin and Jasmine Astronomer. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, let us share our happiness and excitement sa bagong kasal by saying, Mabuhay ang bagong kasal in 3, 2, 1!
In the dark with your signs of light, hold nothing and have no fear. 'Cause I will be here. I will be here. When you feel like being quiet, when you need to speak your mind, I will listen and I will be here.
What a beautiful moment we have just been witnessed. And to the group, always remember the love and support of your beautiful mom will always be here. Kaya naman once again, palakpakan po for Sir Martin and Ma'am Linda.
Ito na mimi, kay mauto pa mig doktor. Dapat pa schedule si mama sa colonoscopy da sa butuan doktor. Colonoscopy kanang dire sa iya tinakaw no daw. Oh, ato pa mi kan doktor gamdi. Ay. Ma'am, ako na mimi.